Stay with me in the 5-star Dromoland Castle in Ireland. So we came here for my birthday, and tonight we are booked into the fine dining restaurant, which I've been so excited for. I'm one of those people that looks up the menu beforehand and then gets way too excited about what I'm going to get. So I think it came to about €120 per person for each of us, which really wasn't that bad. I knew I was going for oysters straight away, and they were incredible. The whole layout of this room, the high ceilings, the big drawn out curtains, it's just so luxe and premium, and it really does embody that 5-star element. So these were the oysters. I could not even tell you what they were garnished with, but they were just incredible. After this, I got steak, which is my standard. I got it medium rare, and this paste that they had on top of it, I don't even know what that was, but it was amazing. Afterwards, we stayed, chilled, had a coffee, a few glasses of wine. And then after that, we just wandered around the hotel. We sat in sort of the sitting room area, had a few more drinks till the bar closed, I think at about 12. There was live music on. And then after that, we just retired back to the room, put on the TV and chilled. We were going to be checking out tomorrow, but we were getting afternoon tea. So if you want to see what afternoon tea is like there, then watch the next video in this series. So yeah, 33rd birthday, all going well so far. I hope you're enjoying the series. If you have any questions, just let me know.